Okay, just to finish up xylem and phloem. So you have to make sure that you can identify what the xylem and phloem look like in the different parts of the plant. So I've done here started from the bottom to the top. Okay, so root, stem, and leaf. So with the root, very easy. You'll see a cross, that's the xylem. The circles surrounding it are the phloem. And then what surrounds both the xylem and the phloem is the endodermis, and the endodermis contains meristem cells. Now you should have already learned that meristem cells is like the plant's version of their stem cells. It's where growth can happen. And the thing with plants is that it doesn't stop, like they continually have meristem cells for the rest of their life. Unlike for us, we start off as an embryo and that stem cell develops and then that's kind of it. You have a couple in your bone marrow, but that's that. So remember, the endodermis that surrounds the xylem and the phloem and the root contains the meristem cells. A layer of meristem cells is known as a pericycle, so just another term thrown in there. So those are your two key ones. In the stem, it's usually found in a circle, but I didn't draw the full circle. 3 different parts. Again, the purple is the phloem, the blue is the xylem, and similar to like in the root, you have an area that provides meristem cells. So in this case, it's the red bits, and that's known as the cambium. And again, that contains meristem cells, same as meristem cells in the root. Okay, and for the leaf, it's not as complicated. Usually it looks like this, and then you have the xylem is just this bottom U-bit layer, and then the area just below that is the phloem. So the easiest one, I think, is the leaf. The one people usually get confused with is the root and the stem, so make sure that you know which one is which. Don't confuse it or switch it around, and make sure you know for the root and the stem where you can find the meristems. So this one, the endodermis, it's surrounding it. In the stem, it's in between the phloem and the xylem.